I've been playing drums since I was 17, and at 22, I started an independent record label called Exotic Fever Records. Hi, my name is Katy, and I'm the Director of Communications at Juvenile Law Center. I've been playing, attending, and throwing punk shows for my entire adult life. The spirit of DIY punk is to get the word out and make things happen for yourself, and that's a lot of what I think you need to do to create effective communications. You need to have a can-do spirit. You need to be able to disseminate your own message, and you need to be able to state your case, even if it's counter to what a mainstream narrative might be selling. As Director of Communications, it's my job to message our work externally. We want to bring people along to understand the issues that children and families face in the juvenile legal and foster systems. One of the biggest challenges to this is that we exist in a media climate wherein reporters, editors, and media outlets capitalize and profit from salacious storytelling, shock value, and the demonization of children in the systems. Coverage is often geared towards driving clicks and views and can be decontextualized from young people's real lives. It also doesn't really take into account adolescent development and brain science, which we know is a part of what should guide policy in this country. The good news is that increasingly there are reporters that want to tell more complicated stories, more interesting stories, and we believe that when those stories about the lives of children who are encountering the juvenile legal and foster systems are told, it will bring along more of the public to create actionable change. So much of the harm that the juvenile legal and foster systems create occurs in the shadows. That's why it's so important that we tell stories and share information with the public about the harm that these systems cause in the lives of children and families. And I'm committed to making sure that you, as the public, understand that we will never stop fighting for children.